What's up everyone, this is my MK7 2015 Volkswagen Golf TDI. We're going to be changing out the stock lights that are inside. We're going to be doing the front and the back, one in the glove box, and lastly we're going to be doing this one out here. At the front, I'm just going to go around the side here and pop the sides out with a simple flathead screwdriver. They should pop out just super easy. Mine's pretty loose from the subwoofer that's in here. It kind of rattles loose these plastic pieces. Once we have the wires down, you can see up at the top here, this black piece and this black piece simply just screw off, revealing the halogen light for this side of it, these little blue ones. For the stock light coming out of the Volkswagen, you're gonna need to push in on these side pieces right here at the bottom. Push in both at a time, and the top of the bulb is going to come out just like that. So we have this piece that comes from Volkswagen, the old light, and now we're gonna have what comes from Lasfit for the LED lighting, the cabin lights. This is what it's gonna come with. You'll take out one of these, and then you're gonna just place it back into the light just how you took out the stock light. Alright, so insert it just how the other light was with the square LED facing out. And then you're gonna put it back in right where the old light was, and then it's gonna be a simple twist and it should pop right. This is a quick comparison to show you the LED versus the stock bulb that was in already. You can see just how much brighter. This is the side that has the stock light. This is the side that has the LED. Both of them are on, as you can see. So major difference. All right, now you can see with the light, we have two clips on this side, two clips on this side that, let's see if I can get with one hand. There you go, it all just slides right back in just like that. Let me go attach the battery, we'll see how these lights look. Alright, I'm in the car, battery's back attached. Let's turn these lights on. Boom. It looks maybe a little yellow. I think maybe that's the camera, because from here in the car, they're a very bright white. And as you can see, huge major difference in lighting. You can actually see the floor and things like that. Similar to the front, these are the stock lights, the stock cabin lights. They're going to be just able to pop off. I don't know if you can see, it puts like an amber dim on the back seat. I guess you know because you're watching this video, so you have the stock ones. So let's put in the new ones, see how it looks. So it looks like the best place to use a flathead screwdriver would be right here, and it was able to pop all the corners out from there. There it is without the cover. We're just gonna take out the light bulbs. Let's see if you can see it. Just take off the light bulbs out of its position and replace it with the LED ones, and they're plug and play, so we should be good to go. They're placed in. Let's see here. Yep, they're all placed in. And just like that, they turn on, and I'll give you the final product after I replace the covering. And this is our final product for the front two map lights and the rear two map lights that have been changed out to the LED. As you can see, they cast a really nice white glow that you can see all the way to the carpet. things like that. All right, for this glove box light, you can see it's tucked up in here. I'm gonna remove the glove box just to give me a little extra room when working with it. Okay, we got the glove box out. I made the mistake of thinking that this one slide will hold it in. It didn't, fell. So just do the 2 clips plus the slide. On this cabin light, there is a small spot right on the left side there to stick in a screwdriver and pop off the light. Let's do it. When you push in the clip and it pushes in this piece right here, this is what comes out, this little device. Quick little tip for this glove box light: instead of trying to push these plastic pieces in right here, 1, 2, 3, 4, move this box slightly to the left, slightly to the right to go outside of those clips rather than trying to push the plastic in. It was just much easier to take this plastic piece off using the metal versus using the plastic. Once the metal piece slides out, you get this piece here. You can see the light bulb right in there. The new light bulb, it's just gonna push right in like the other lights. The new LED is placed. You can see it tucks in just like the old stock light. And I'll hook it. All right, just like that. Easy as ever. That's the Lasfit. Same light, same interior light as the one we just installed in the cabin up top. It's the same exact light, plug and play, and it works flawless. Repeat the steps in reverse. Just replace the metal piece, and then you're gonna throw it back up. There you go, that's your finished product. Very white, very nice lighting for this glove box. All right, here are the stock license plate light. You can see, give off like an amber color, kind of small. For these license plate lights, there's a clip right on the side, no tools required. Just push the clip out, and then you get this wiring harness and this lighting housing. All you do is spin this lighting housing counterclockwise. There you go. It pops out, revealing the bulb. There's the bulb. Simply pop this out, replace it with that. This is your final result. Much, much more brighter and much more lighter. All right. Next is gonna be our reverse light. First things first is we have to get our Lasfit LED lighting for our reverse lights. They're gonna be a little different lights. It's gonna be the T15. They're a little bit bigger, more LEDs for reversing, and a flathead screwdriver to pop this side piece right here. I have the MK7, so we're gonna pop it from out right here. Simply put it in this hole. Boom. Pull it off. Our reverse light's gonna be this one, this black one to the right of the picture. To remove the stock and replace with the Lasfit LED light, all you have to do is remove the stock and then place directly, just plug and play the LED and then reverse the steps. And just like that, taking about max 5 minutes, super easy installation. Like I said, it's plug and play. As you can see, we have much better visibility for reversing, so a much safer light, and obviously a much cleaner white looking light in the back here. it.